Hello, my name is Helen Mangum, and I am the proud founder of Excels Cleaning Services LLC. Excels Cleaning Service is not just a cleaning service. It is a reflection of my roots, a tribute to my grandmother, and to all the mothers who clean to provide for their families. Some people call it a low-level job. I call it a job. And a job is a job. And from that job, you can build a future. Excels Cleaning has given me the opportunity to build something out of nothing. Train, teach, be uplifted. Thank you for your support. With your support, we will thrive. Saving our own lives by cleaning the water.
This is Catherine. She is the one in the back of me upstairs, and she is, we call her the deep cleaning diva. The deep cleaning diva.